So we are making some potato salad as Olivia takes her nap on this beautiful August 1st afternoon. We just finished making tomato soup and it is just delicious with all these flavors. So I had all these potatoes. Some of them were sprouting already, so we're going to throw a lot of them out, but I got a whole handful, probably 12 potatoes. I went ahead and boiled them in the Instant Pot, and then I want to make potato salad. I don't have a recipe. I just add basically whatever we have. So, cut up the potatoes once they're boiled. We use Sir Kensington. We've used this for over a decade. Sir Kensington. It's a clean ingredient mayo. Since we have plenty of tomatoes, there's going to be tomatoes in our potato salad. We use a whole can of olives. We have pickles. We love pickles, so we've got some chopped pickles in there. We're going to add some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. I picked this one up at Whole Foods yesterday, or New Leaf, I think it was. So this is a fresh raw Parmesan cheese. I just kind of eyeball it and then just start mixing. We're going to add, that's good right now. We'll just go ahead and mix it and see. And then, like I said, fresh basil. And then I'm going to put some of the dried basil, a little bit of rosemary because we like rosemary, and a little bit of the celery, because normally you would put celery, crunchy celery, but I didn't buy any. So we're going to just basically, use the dried celery. And then I'm going to add, of course, paprika and sea salt. And you just taste. You taste and you add the herbs and the spices you want. That's exactly what we did here. And my soup is just like, I don't know how to compare it to other soups because I haven't had tomato soup in a while. But we like the flavors, and that's all that matters. Nothing too towering. We can add the fresh basil, the pepper, paprika. We love that frozen again. Let's see. We can even add a little cayenne. And honestly, you could add pepper flakes too if you wanted. We added the pepper flakes to the tomato sauce and definitely gave it a kick. So just wanted to share. I don't follow a recipe. And yeah, this is paprika. We love a little kick. And yeah, so basil, we got the basil. We're going to add some green because we love the basil. See how you want to eyeball it? And instead of, like, you can add a little bit of mayo at a time. That way it's not too much mayo. But that's okay because now it's nice and rich. I usually, sometimes I'll add some butter. So this one's warm still, so you can serve it warm. I'm going to add some more tomatoes for that color. And so yeah, if you had carrots, you could add carrots. You do however you want, and serve your. Let's see. Yeah, I tend to like color, so I'll go ahead and cut some of these up. Our garden fresh tomatoes. Look at, we still have more. So, and then we've got more coming. So I can't wait to make a corn salad. It's going to be similar, I think, to this one. It's just going to have some fresh corn. Olivia's watching. She's like, Mom, I'm trying to sleep. Anyways, okay, on that note, okay, just get in the kitchen and have fun. Oh, let's see the green come through. And we're going to have red and green. And I definitely got to add more salt and some more paprika. that's how you do a summer salad. I might add the rest of these too. I'll see. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Let me see. That's what we need. So now we've got food for the week because I made rice, I made beans, I'll do some pepper. Yeah, I love the red and the green. And make sure you marry someone that loves to cook. We love to cook together. We love to go out and garden together. And I had asked Jim earlier if he helps me do this, then I want to go help him outside and pick up some of the weeds he cut this morning. And then I get to get some exercise and sweating and see the animals. And okay, that's a wrap. I'm probably going to need to put salt because I only did it one-handed. But anyways, enjoy.